Koleer, share your music, share your love. Koleer, share your music, share your love. Koleer, share your music, share your love.
So that's the sound comparison. This one plays better, obviously, and this one, then this one. So they are small speakers, they can't actually do much. They have only done their best, so you can't actually get too much bars in all the speakers. So my advice is, if you want to get more bass, these are small speakers, so they can't really do much. You just have to introduce a third-party equalizer, play with the options a little bit, increase the bars, and through that way you can get, you can crank the bars up a little bit. They don't have I don't think they have any special specific app just made specifically for them, but you can go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and get some third-party equalizer and play with the option and get more bars from these three speakers. What it basically do is that it brings out the bars, it pushes out the bars and brings down the treble and the overall volume of the sound, even when you're playing 100%. That's depending on your settings. In my third-party equalizer, I actually brought out the bars more, so I reduced the treble. So that's why you can see immediately I switched on to the third-party equalizer, the sound was obviously dropped and the bars was more obvious. So that's it. You can actually set it whatever way you want it, but with these speakers you're not getting enough bars. So if you want more bars, you can always introduce a third-party equalizer. If you're looking for something a little bit affordable, something small you can take along with you wherever you want to go, these speakers are not bad at all. These speakers are very affordable and they are pretty good in my opinion. So there you have it.